Hi, I'm Harriet Rollins. I'm currently studying in Coleg Menai, Level 3 DCNF, which is Development, Coaching and Fitness, and it is my last year in Coleg Menai. I'm also a Platinum Ambassador in Coleg Menai, and I have so many experience with it, and I enjoy it so much, and I definitely think you should start the programme if you haven't. My main sport that I've been playing for 6 years now is rugby, and I also play other sports if I get the opportunity, such as hockey, netball, anything that I get given the opportunity to do, I will take the chance. Hopefully not football, because I'm not that much of a football fan, but if I get asked to do it, I will do it if I have to. So what this video is going to be is it's going to be a week in the life of an active ambassador, which is me. So during this video, I will be showing you how I handle my time and what I do during my week with college work, assignments, seeing friends, but I can't see friends at the moment because we're in lockdown, but I FaceTime my friends, we do Netflix parties, things like that. I do some baking, gym sessions, seeing my family, and also a part-time job, which is currently I work at home because of COVID, and my mum was nice enough to give me a job to get some hours around the house so I can get some money and keep the money rolling in. But there will be a twist on my week as a college student as we're in lockdown and it's also study week. So I won't have as many classes this week as I usually would, but hopefully I'll still have some that I will be able to show you.
Remember we sat
It's
in the
currently about 11 o'clock on Tuesday, so I'm going to show you what I do.
Nobody else ever saw. I packed up everything except those memories that only I can see and can't get rid of. I still remember the first, your body hit every nerve. Used to wake up in my shirt, that's the one I had to burn. Trying not to stare, but you are everywhere. You're everywhere that I've ever known. You feel like Brooklyn in the summer. Been hiding, half awake for so long. Bringing the mess of me back together. You feel like Brooklyn in the summer.
So I've just finished with my first day, and I've had quite a productive day, to be honest. I've done some college work, finished some assignments, done lots of work for my mum, and then I chilled for a bit because I was quite tired, took my dog for a walk, and then I cooked dinner for my mum. I've been in the shower, and for the rest of the night I'm just going to chill and watch some TV and relax. So I will see you for day 2.
Everyone else is the same, I wonder if you're the same. And do you lay your head in sun? When I was young, I fell in love with Mr. Old Hands, man, that was enough. Then we grew up, started to touch, used to kiss underneath the light on the back of the bus. I know your daddy didn't like me much, and he didn't believe me when I said you were the one. But every day, she found a way out, and she used to meet me on the east side in the city with the sun on set. And every day, you know that we ride through the back streets of a blue Corvette. You know I just wanna leave tonight. We can go anywhere we want. Drive down to the coast, jump in the sea. Just take my hand and come with me, yeah. We can do anything.
My day 2 finished. I had quite a chill day today. I did some work and I've just been watching films and watching Christmas film because Christmas, so why not? So sometimes you just need a day to yourself to relax. That's what I've been doing today, just enjoying everything. So I'll see you on day 3.
We got a dream to have a family, a house and everything in between. And then suddenly, we're 10, 23 and now we got pressure for taking our life more seriously. We got a dead-end jobs and got bills to pay. Our old friends and now our enemies. And now I'm thinking back to when I was young, back to the day when I was falling in love. He used to meet me on the east side, in the city where the sun don't set. And every day, you know where we ride through the back streets in a blue.
Babe, don't make a sound. 2 a.m. love, gotta keep it down. Don't wait around for a signal now. Give me some verb, I ain't talking down. You wanna ride in the 6, you wanna dine in the 6. But when I lean for the kiss, you said I'll probably send you some pics. And I'm like, hell nah, been waiting too long. Hell babe, don't make a sound. 2 a.m. love, gotta keep it down. Don't wait around for a signal now. Give me some verb, I ain't talking now. You wanna ride in the 6, you wanna dine in the 6. But when I lean for the kiss, you said I'll probably send you some pics. And I'm like, hell nah, been waiting too long. Hell nah, I want that cruel love. Hell nah, been waiting too long. Hell nah, I want that cruel love. Body on my, losing all my innocence. Yeah, body on my, finding all my innocence. Yeah, body on my.